Hi guys, today is Friday, March 20th, right? Yes, March 20th. I didn't make a video for you guys yesterday, I'm sorry, but here I am today. And I'm going to be sharing with you a math game. For this game, you're going to need a deck of cards. If you don't have a deck of cards, it's okay. You can just make some cards out of index cards or even just sheets of paper, cut them up into 4s or 8s, and just write numbers on them from 0 to 9. You don't need to have a specific number. It's just however many you want to have. The more cards you have, the longer you can play. So today was a really fun day. All of the teachers at Crandall got to meet on a FaceTime type video using Teams to talk with one another, and we kind of had like a staff meeting this morning with Mr. Sills, and it was great because we got to see each other and hear each other, and we all really miss each other, just like I miss you guys, and I'm sure you guys all miss your friends. So right now we're working on trying to get as many of you into Teams as you can. If you log into your Office 365 account using your school email and your password, you can access the Teams app and you can chat with me. I can post resources to you, and we can have a conversation, and also I can share some things with you that are important. If you don't remember how to log into your Office 365 account, send me an email, jsoul@enfieldschools.org, and I can email you that information, or have your family members send me a text on Remind, or whatever works for them. So for our math game today, I have a helper. So say hi, Mr. Soul. I've got him here to help me.
Hello, everybody.
And he's going to give me a hand with this math game. So the first way that we're going to play this math game is practicing addition facts. And some of you are way past this, and that's okay. And some of you might want to just have some fun with a younger sibling, and that's okay too. So I'm going to just move the camera a little bit so you can see our table and not my face. So let me move this here. Okay. So I think we can see our table pretty well. All right. So I'm going to give Mr. Soul some cards, and I'm going to take some cards. There we go. And what we're going to do first is we're each going to turn over one card. So we're going to add them together. I don't know if you can see, but this is a 10 and a 5. And so we're going to add those together really quick. Whoever says the correct sum first gets to keep the cards.
15.
So Mr. Soul gets to keep those cards. The object of the game is to get as many cards as you can. All right, let's see here.
9.
7.
10.
Ugh.
I'll explain that.
Oh, so good thing. The ace cards are worth 1. In our game, we're making them worth 1. If you want to be challenging and make them worth 11, you can do that, but most of the time we're just going to call an ace a 1. So Mr. Soul got that one. It's a 10.
10.
12. 3.
That's cheating. 5.
2.
4.
Okay. All right. So you'd count up who has the most cards, and you would go with who won that. So then the second way that we're going to play this game, so just pile your cards up together.
I got 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only got 8, so Mr. Soul won that round. All right. Now we're going to do it where we multiply our numbers. And again, the same thing is going to happen. So go ahead and just put a card down. So this is going to be 1 times 6. So the product of that is
6.
So Mr. Soul would get those cards, which I'm giving you those cards. So All right, ready? Multiplying. 2.
Yep. 2.
21.
That was quick. 8.
Okay, those are yours.
9.
Oh.
6.
5.
Oh, Mrs. Soul.
50.
Oh.
That's how old you are.
That's yours. I'm 51, Mrs. Soul.
I don't have any. Wait, I do. I have a card. Ready?
Yes. 18. 16. Oh.
You can have it. All right. So we would total these up, and let's see how many I have.
I don't like
1, 2,
math.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only got 8 this time. How many did you get?
I had leftovers. So.
You had leftovers. Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So you still won this game. So good job. So let me tip that back up. All right. So Mr. Soul, who loves multiplication,
Hi.
he won that game. So that's just a quick little game that you can play. And again, guys, if you don't have a deck of cards, don't worry. Just take some papers and cut them apart.
Or your Uno cards.
Use your Uno cards. That's a good idea. I hadn't thought about that. Your Uno cards would work. Skip-Bo, I think those just take out all the like fancy ones. If you use a regular deck of cards, you want to take out your jacks, your kings, and your queens. Okay, you don't need them. If you really want to challenge, you could make those like your 10s, your 11s, and your 12s, and something else. So if you guys want to challenge, I would love to hear how you're challenging each other. But again, if you just want to practice addition and subtraction with your younger brothers and sisters, that's a great idea too. And it helps keep them engaged, and it helps keep them busy. So your responsible adults at home will really love that. All right. I love you guys. I miss you. Send me some emails. Send me some texts. Let me know you're okay. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know if you're going outside or if you're playing music or you're making art. I really want to hear from you. I love you. Bye.